Alright, so here we are, taking a nice cruise in my girlfriend's 1985 Toyota Tercel Wagon SR5 Manuel. This car's been sitting all winter because it's got a little bit of rust we got to get taken care of, and she's been saving up the money to get it fixed. We're taking it to a shop right now to see what they'll do about the rust. Look at this ding-dong pulling out. Alrighty. Anyways, this thing drives really nice. Compared to my 83, this thing's like a Cadillac. I don't get it. It's so butter, rides good, it's quiet, smooth steering. This thing's mint. And it's got 254,000 miles. So yeah, we're gonna take it to the shop, possibly get the exhaust fixed today, and hopefully maybe get some framework done. And we'll try to post more content of this car in the future. Alright, so this is my girlfriend's 1985 Toyota Tercel Wagon SR5 model. You know, she's luxury. She bought this car, I don't know, 6 months ago, I'd say, out past Allentown, Pennsylvania. It's a born and raised Pennsylvania car, driven year round. Guy we got it off of owned it for 25 years, and it finally failed state inspection, so we picked it up for a really good price. I must say, this car is pretty like mint, I guess you could say. Maybe not like condition wise, it's pretty nice, but it's untouched. Like, everything's original. You know, all the emission stuff's there and everything works as it should, which is really rare for these cars. So that was kind of exciting. Do a quick walk around here. It's, I mean, stock as could be. Got a little rust on the fender there. You know, the rockers are getting, this one's good, the other one's kind of getting bad. And a little rust there, you know. Your typical Pennsylvania car, but I mean, overall this thing's really straight. We just picked it up today from the exhaust shop that I always go to, and had them run a whole new exhaust, cat back, everything, as well as fix the frame because it had a couple of spots, soft spots. That's why it failed inspection, so we had them plate everything. I really like the exhaust they did too, because it's got a side exit instead of coming out the back like they're normally, like mine in there. You can see it's out the back, and it sounds pretty good too. It's not too bad, it's pretty subtle. Super clean interior and minus floor mat, but it's original. What do you expect? But yeah, power steering, AC, all the goodies. Boy, is it windy. Goodness. So yeah, let's fire it up. You can hear the exhaust. Super quiet engine too. Car has 254 on it, but the guy that had it said he put an engine in it that only had 50,000 miles on it. Actually, the engine that went in this car was matched the tranny that I put in my car. So this engine now has roughly 120 on it. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Yeah, I mean, it's not pretty. That adds 10 horsepower. But I mean, super quiet. Let's see if I can give her a rev. It's a great sounding car, drives great, super smooth. Let's see if I can find something here I can prop my phone on. Let's get the exhaust sound there. Yeah, she's race ready. I think it sounds good. you know, it's not loud, but it's got a little drone to her. Yeah, they had to plate the frame down here. You can see a bit of the welding going on there. Oh, where's another spot? I know this is a plate there. Yeah, right there. But I mean, it wasn't bad. Oh, I made it mad. Cold rev, it's good for him. Yeah, hopefully we can make some more videos on this car in the future. She's not wanting to do a whole lot to it, other than leave it alone. Probably get the body work done professionally instead of sloppy mechanicking it like we would do, because it's a pretty nice car. That's the plan. I'll try and make some more videos of it, but I don't know what our plans are with it. I know she wants to try to maybe get the whole car painted or something, or at least get it clear coated again, because the clear is coming off, so make it look kind of like a show car ish. But yeah, that's my girlfriend's 85 Tercel SR5 wagon.